Hey guys, juice cleanses don't have to be intimidating. Today we're going to do a power smoothie for some extra energy and added fiber. I'm starting with 1.5 cups of plant-based milk. This is oat milk, and I will put the recipe in the links below. I also have a cup of leafy greens. This is a kale, spinach, and Swiss chard blend. Adding 1 cup of frozen blueberries and a tablespoon each of chia seeds and sunflower seeds for some healthy fats, a fig for a little bit more fiber, and a kiwi with the skin on. If it's thin, throw it in as long as it's organic and washed thoroughly. I'm going to put the lid on here, blend this up. We're going to do this in real time, so it could be a little bit loud. As that blends, I just want to encourage you to keep going. You can do this. This is a great way to get some antioxidants and great for your immunity, especially in our times during cold and flu season. It's getting really loud in my kitchen, but that tells me that the smoothie is ready. There we go. I'm just going to pour this up. You can see all those wonderful, delicious fruits and vegetables in there. And I am ready to enjoy this. Enjoy your afternoon, everybody. Got a little bit on the counter, but it's okay. Looks great. Enjoy and happy cleansing.